Hey there! Having trouble with your Call of Duty app on your iPhone? Lately, lots of Call of Duty users have been saying it's not working like it should. It seems there are some server issues causing headaches for many players out there. But fret not, today I've got a quick fix for you. We are going to learn how to check the Call of Duty server to see if it's up or down. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First up, open any browser on your iPhone. Head over to www.downdetector.com. Now, tap on the search icon and type Call of Duty, then hit Go. Next, if you see the chart spiking up, that's a sign there are ongoing issues with the server. In this case, you'll just have to sit tight and wait for the Call of Duty team to work their magic. But if the chart is flattened down, it means there are currently no issues with the Call of Duty server. And that's it, folks! Checking the Call of Duty server is as easy as a pie on your iPhone. If you have got any questions about your Call of Duty gaming experience, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming!